Hi guys! It's a week plus to 14th of Feb, which is Valentine's Day, and this evening we are headed to check out something new that just popped up recently. It's at this place called Secret Patio, which is located at 10A Duxton Hill. So previously they did some pop-up like the Squid Game and this picnic garden pop-up thingy. So now they are actually doing this campfire pop-up where you can dine under the stars without having to worry about bugs and insects and cooking your own food. So we decided to try out this pop-up this evening. So because it's V-Day, I'm also going to be doing like a V-Day giveaway. Yep, so take a look at this video before we proceed to our campfire dinner. Because it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day giveaway. I have with me a pair of red Philips True Wireless earbuds, and I'll be giving away this pair of earbuds once I hit 400 subscribers. So what you need to do is just like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below why you want to win this pair of earbuds. It could be you want to win it for your girlfriend, for your boyfriend, or because you just need to replace your own pair of earbuds. Just leave a comment on why you want to win this pair of earbuds, and the best comment will win once I hit 400 subscribers. So stay tuned for this exciting giveaway. Back to the video. So because we are a little early, we are still hanging around the Duxton Hill area, just checking out what other restaurants there are first. So there's actually quite a lot of restaurants that look pretty atas, and it's actually pretty crowded as well, some of them. Like a lot of people are around the area having drinks. So anyway, for this campfire dinner over at the Secret Patio, they are having it this weekend and also the next few days, and next weekend, which is V-Day weekend, up to V-Day. So for this weekend and the next few days, they're having this a la carte menu. But for next weekend and Valentine's Day, there will be a set dinner menu. So for this a la carte menu, there is a cover charge of $28 per adult that you need to pay. And for the next weekend, which is the set, it's a fixed set which includes the cover charge. So anyway, there are also like a couple of different kinds of seats. Like they have like campfire seats with a teepee, or you can have normal table and chair seats if you're not into eating on the floor lah. So if you want to sit by the so-called campfire and have your meal, they said first come first serve. So we came a little bit earlier to try to see if we can get those cute little campfire seats. So hopefully we get the cute seats. Yep, gonna head over to our dinner destination shortly. Patio, and yay, I got a teepee seat. Yay, can you see the cute little teepee behind me? So we are actually seated on like two little cushions with a very low table, and it's like there's a little candle also with like this fire logs, so it feels like you're sitting around a campfire. So yeah, pretty happy that I managed to snag a teepee seat. Yeah. Oh, and they have a couple of activities that you can do throughout the night. So they have you can actually scan the QR code for the Spotify list, and you can select the list of songs. And the other activity that they have is this bath salt thingy that you can actually go make. So later we will try it out as well. So we are sitting in front of our little teepee campfire. It's behind us. Peekaboo! Yeah, it's really very cute. You see that the candles inside the teepee. Actually, this teepee reminds me of the one that for my Ota and friends vacation. Ota was in a teepee. So we're gonna have a fun-filled evening. We just ordered our food, and yeah, we'll take a look at what we ordered later. We ordered some alcoholic drinks to try as well. Yeah. So they actually come with like nice little cushions behind as well. Can't see the cushions. So we are leaning against the wall, and the teepee is there. Yeah, so we can lean against the wall. I don't know why Chibing picked the candle. Yeah, it's a fake candle. Oh, and they also gave us like light sticks. So I guess later when it's dark, we can play the light sticks. Yeah, like sing campfire songs. Some of our foods here, we got like the campfire nachos and also iced chocolate. Oh, and another item is here, which is like the s'mores alcoholic drink. So it's a mixture of like alcohol stuff with like a toasted marshmallow on top. I think it's like hot. It's a hot drink. So just a tip for you guys, if you wanna come sit by the campfire table, right? It's better to like wear shorts. So I'm wearing a skirt. It's not a skirt, it's a skirt. So I can see my legs. Yeah. So we're gonna wait for other items to come, which is like this pork thingy that we ordered. So this is the campfire nachos, which looks pretty nice. Gonna try the iced chocolate. Tastes like iced chocolate milk to me. Yeah, it's really like iced chocolate milk. Okay, so this iced chocolate costs like $8. Yeah, so $8 for iced chocolate milk. But very thirsty. I want to try this like this alcoholic thingy. Oh, check it out! Like it's like very nice and toasted. You can see that it's like fish. So I guess it's gonna melt in your mouth. Yeah. Okay, let's just try this alcoholic drink, which is like hot by the way. So okay, this s'mores drink is like $22. But you can taste the alcohol. I think it's pretty strong. Wow, really quite strong. Okay, Chibing, please try. Okay, it's quite strong. It's like drinking a warm cup of chocolatey drink, and it's like very light because of the alcohol. So you can feel the spice. Like when you're drinking like ginger tea, you really feel the spice. Can you feel the spice? Should be alcohol, yeah, it should be alcohol. Okay, let's try the marshmallow first. This is nice. Melty marshmallow. I'm gonna eat it up. Yeah, mix it with the drink. Not bad. Wow, the alcohol is really quite strong. Okay, so that means we're getting our money's worth for this drink. This is meant to be the night sky with stars. But I think at the moment it's still a little too bright, not dark enough for you to really see the stars. So it's like pretty cute and you feel like you're having a campfire under the stars. Wow, check it out! Chibing is trying the nachos first. What sauce is with the nachos? Cheese. Oh, okay. Well, it's really a bit dark. It is still crispy. My turn to try the nachos. Not bad, but I think we need to actually mix the nachos first. So it comes with beef, cheese, jalapenos, tomatoes. Yep, quite a generous amount of ingredients. And I'm just mixing up all the breaking it up first. The jalapenos are a little spicy. I think the sauce is either cheese or sour cream, or maybe like some mixture. Not bad. So this portion of nachos is pretty big, and it's definitely enough for the two of us. So I'm gonna dig into the nachos first. Okay. The room is getting slightly darker, but I'm still waiting for it to get even darker because it doesn't really look like the night sky yet. But I really like this stars thingy. Because I'm not really a camping person, so this kind of indoor camp is more my cup of tea. No snakes, no bugs, not hot. Yep. We also ordered the pork ribs, and it's a very huge piece of meat. Wow. It smells very smoky and barbecue. So I'm just gonna like cut a piece and see. Oh, okay. I don't even need to cut. The meat just came off. It's very crispy. Chibeng is trying the pork ribs now. This is like the little candle. Huh, you dropped? Oh no, what an accident. Oops, 5-second rule. You drop again? Not me, the messy eater today. Today is Chibeng, the messy eater. Okay, we're gonna like try to make the bath salt bottle now. So each of us gets one bottle. And basically there's a lot of different colored powders, so you can just mix it up and like put into the bottle. So the next time you go for a staycation, you can actually bring it along for a nice bubble bath, throw it into your bathtub. So there's like a lot of colors, there's blue, white, purple, pink. And you get one of these cute little bottles each. And it comes with a spoon. Ta-da! So, actually I'm not sure how. Okay, I guess... Wow, quite complicated. Oh, the spoon is not meant to use. Basically you use this. Okay, so I put the bottle nearer. And let's just try to put the powder in. Wow, the powder is very fine. So it just flows into the bottle. Oh my god, but I don't know how long this will take because the filter is very small. Okay, so you see like there's some powder inside now, right? Okay, I'm gonna try the pink, because I like pink. Okay, I'm gonna let Chibeng also try to make his bottle. So let me show you the bottle when it's done later. So here is the finished product. It's a little bottle of rainbow colored bath salt. So the 7 colors, right, there was like pink, white, purple, blue and green. So ta-da! Comes with a little wooden spoon that you can actually use to scoop the bath salt to put into your bathtub. Yeah! Super cute little souvenir that you can make and bring home with you after your dinner, campfire dinner at this Secret Patio. Yep. Super cute. It's like unicorn rainbow colors. I love this. Yep. I just got around to reading the ingredients for the s'mores alcoholic drink, and no wonder it's spicy because there's spiced rum and chili flakes inside. No wonder when you drink it's like la la, but quite nice. Anyway, basically the Secret Patio actually shared that if we are here, right, and we actually tag a story of them, we'll get a free s'mores dessert. So we have done that and we're waiting for our yummy s'mores dessert to come. Yep. So overall, it's a very enjoyable experience. Yep. So I'll elaborate a bit more later after the dessert. This is our complimentary dessert, which is the s'mores. Basically, when you, like what I said, when you actually tag a story of them on Instagram, they will give you a s'mores dessert, which is like this piece of graham cracker, aka sotapia, with chocolate and a melted toasted marshmallow. Check out how gooey the marshmallow is. This is super yum, and it's the perfect campfire dessert. Everyone has s'mores when they're camping. Oh my god, this is really super yummy. So we have come to the end of our campfire night at the Secret Patio. So our session was at 6:30 and it's ending at like 8. Basically the next session is from 8:30 to 10 PM. So in my opinion, this experience was really fun. The whole place is super beautiful and Instagrammable. The food is good as well. Portions are generous and it's very yummy, especially with the complimentary s'mores dessert. So anyway, the only thing is that I think 1.5 hours is a little short because if you're busy making the bath salts, you gotta eat, you gotta take photos, you gotta take videos. Wow, we are really cutting it close. But anyway, I highly recommend this experience, and basically it's still going on for the next week up to 14th of Feb. So hurry, make your reservations and come to this Secret Patio campfire night experience, which is like perfect for Valentine's Day. Oh, and definitely you must remember to make your bath salts. I think there were actually some people that didn't have time to make the bath salts, so kind of a waste. So anyway, we are going home with a very pretty bottle of bath salt each. Yeah. So anyway, do like and share my video, and please remember to subscribe. And also do remember my YouTube giveaway for my Philips True Wireless earbuds. So do take part in the contest as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!